Technology Integration Facilitator for the East Bridgewater Public Schools, and this is an example of how you can use Google Classroom and Kami. It's a very easy extension. It's right here. Children and teachers would install it using the Chrome Web Store, Kami with a little K. And so this is how I would set it up. I would simply be in my Google Classroom. I could even, I'm going to create it as an assignment, not an announcement, because I do want my students to pass it in. I would put my directions here of what I want them to do. And then I would go to my drive and I would find the PDF. Kami works with PDFs. So let's say I'm going to use the strategic plan. Or maybe I'll use this. I'll use this simple, oh, that's a Google drawing, sorry. I will use a PDF. I'll use this strategic plan. This is our district-wide strategic plan. I'll put this directions here and I put the PDF in. And I'll make a copy for each student. That's essential. And then I'll assign it. Then maybe I put more directions. Maybe I put a due date. Oh, that file's not going to work. I need to find a PDF of my own. So I'll search here, PDFs. I need to own it. So let's see. I'll use this one. And then I'll assign it. And I'll need to do each student gets a copy. So let's say I'm in a class. I'm going to use Dan Parks' class. He lets me be a student in his class so I can see what's going on. And he did this. And he, on his Friday class plans, he has an article here. He found an article that's very relevant about fidget toys. And he wants the children to take the quiz at the end and then write on the document, write the response right on the document using the Kami extension. So I'm going to open my assignment as if I'm the student, and I'm going to open here, and now I'm going to open it with Kami. I simply just click Open in Kami, and it pops it right into a new window, and now I can manipulate this article. So I can go through the article, read it from Newsela, another great resource, and as I complete the quiz, I can put text boxes right in, or I can write on it. If I want to use C, I can choose C, choose A. Maybe here I'm going to choose B, D. And then here for the open response, I'm going to insert a text box. And I can start writing. And now notice it's automatically saved. I can go put it in my drive, move it to my drive, and then I can submit it to Mr. Parks. And this is a great way you can use your existing tools, anything you have that's already scanned, anything that's already a PDF, and you can put it right into Google Classroom for the students to manipulate. That way you're not having to recreate the wheel. You can also have them highlight articles if you want them highlighting things. Use your highlight tool. There's a lot of tools here that you can use. Thank you.